Hey guys, we're going to be looking at strip diagrams today, and we're going to be showing fractions of a whole. So we're going to start with 1/3 of 18. I'm trying to figure out 1/3 of 18. So I'm going to draw a shape with 3 pieces, and I get the 3 pieces from my denominator. So what I'm trying to figure out of all of this that's equal to 18, which all of these units, for each one of those, how much is that worth? So one unit would be equal to what number? So I'm going to take the number 18 and I'm going to divide it by 3. That's from my denominator, and I get 6. So now I know that each one of the units is worth 6. So I'm going to go ahead and write that in. Each unit is worth 6. Now I have 1 unit that I'm actually counting. That would be only one of them. So my answer is 1 unit equals 6. That's 1/3 of 18. Next, we're going to be looking at 4/5 of 25. 4/5 of 25. So I'm going to draw my rectangle again, and I'm going to separate it out into 5 different sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 units, and I'm trying to figure out how much each one of those units is worth. So I'm going to divide 25 divided by 5 is going to be 5. So I know that each one of those is worth 5. 1 unit equals 5. Okay, so this is my total, 25, and I'm looking for 4 of those pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and mark these 4. And in each one of those 4, I have the number that we found, which was 5. And I'm going to go ahead and write that in there. And so I know that 4 units is equal to the number 20. Okay, so we've worked 2 different problems showing fractions of a whole. I'm going to go ahead and erase the top one, and we're going to talk about another problem. On the next one, it's a little bit different. We're going to be discussing 2/3 of a number. So we're looking at 2/3 of the number 30. And it's a little different. It says 2/3 of a number. 2/3 of a number equals 30. Okay, so I'm looking for the number. I want to know what that number is. So I'm going to draw my shape again. I have a section with 3. And I know that I'm trying to figure out this time what all of that is. I don't know what all of that is yet. Give us a little space so we can work a little bit better. Okay. But I know that 2/3 of that number is 30. So I already know that 2 of these pieces is equal to the number 30. So if I've got 2 of them, that's 30, and I'm looking for that number. Okay. So we're focusing on what we know. I know that that's equal to 30. They're divided into equal units, so that kind of helps me a little bit. I know that 2 units is equal to 30. And I know that 30 divided by 2 equals 15. Now I divided the 30 by 2 because we're looking at these 2 sections, and I know that altogether that's equal to 30 if we look at just these 2. Now, I know that I need 3 sections to include the whole. So I'm going to multiply 15 times 3 to get my answer. 3 times 5 is 15. I'm going to carry the 1 and circle it. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So the missing number for 15 times 3 equals 45. So our missing number is 45. Okay, guys, I know that was a lot, but if you would like to, you can always go back and review the video. Thank you.